Hello everyone and welcome back to this video. Today we address partners who want to import client users. Alright, so just like me, you are on the dashboard of the website, and in the left side you have the user tab, and on the top right corner you can import collaborators. There's two ways to do it. You can either start from scratch with a simple file on Excel, and you have an example to follow. And once you're done here, you already have an existing file, and there is the second way to do it. So, just like me, you have a file ready to go. This is a Google Sheet, and I can now download it in an Excel form. And now that it's done, I can get back to the website and drag and drop. And just like so, it's imported. So keep in mind that in an Excel file, you don't necessarily have all the information you want to show in your signature. So that's why you have on the left side a way to add anything you need, and you can really get into details. But for today's purpose, it's completely fine the way it is, so I can get to the next step. Okay, and in a few seconds again, now is the time to check, and if it's ready to go, you can import it. Okay, and in a few seconds, as a partner, you have imported your client on Sigilium. So you can see that there is a failure line, but this is on a column that does not affect the final product, so it's all good. And as a verification, remember there were only 10 members at first before the import, and now there are 15, just the way I want it. And you can check again, make sure everything is okay, and there you go. We're happy to help at premium@sigilium.com if you need any further assistance, and I'll see you on the next one.